Today's short tutorial looks at relationships within ACT and how they're created. It is a subject that is missed by a lot of users, so I hope that this short tutorial does help when you want to create relationships in your own system. Today's tutorial looks at relationships in ACT and how contacts can be linked together, forming a relationship so that we can clearly see where we've got a hierarchical structure between two companies, or perhaps we've got a situation where we've got a branch manager and we want to link branches to the head office or owning business. So let's have a look at this. If we look down in the middle of the screen, we'll see we've got a relationships tab, and I'm looking at the contact Ivor Donkey at the moment. We can see that Ivor Donkey is linked to the Donkey Sanctuary, so that's all the people that work at the Donkey Sanctuary at this address, but not always ideal if you want to link different businesses with different addresses. So at the moment we're looking at Ivor Donkey, who works at the Donkey Sanctuary, and you can see here that he is already linked to his company. What we've done is we've linked everybody that works at the Donkey Sanctuary in Bray to a company, but we're not looking at the company structure, we're looking at relationships. So in this case we go to Relationships tab and then we click Relate Contact. Because we're on Ivor Donkey's record card, it's relating Ivor Donkey to whoever we choose in the box below here. So I'm going to start by typing the surname of the person that I'm relating him to, and if I click away it will then say that that's who I'm going to relate him to. I'm going to define the relationship in a moment, but I'm going to show you one other small thing that you can do that people don't pick up. If I go to contacts here and select contacts, I can select additional contacts to link at the same time. So if you've got various branches, you don't have to go into them one by one as long as they've all got the same relationship, because it's going to give them all the same one. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see Rachel Racehorse. I could also type that name as well to go straight down if I've got a long list, but I just scrolled down because this is quite a short list in the demo database. I'm going to put Rachel across as well, say OK, and you'll see that I've got Pony Rescue Centre and the Racing Centre both linked at once to Ivor Donkey. I now need to define the relationship. So here I'm going to say that Ivor Donkey is the business owner, If I want additional values in this list, I can click on Edit List Values and I can add in here. In this case, I've got the ones I want. Ivor Donkey is the business owner, and for the other two, they are the branch managers. So I'm going to click away from that. I can put any details in here. So this is a little scratch pad area. So just drop that there, oops, and then say OK. So we can now see that instantly both Rachel and Claire, use my own name there, have been linked to the Donkey Sanctuary. So what we can now do is, if I click on Rachel Racehorse, that takes me down to that record card. I can see that I'm on Rachel's record card now, and I can instantly see that she is linked to Ivor Donkey and he is the business owner. If I click on Ivor, I can go straight back and click through to these record cards whenever I want. So I've got a full relationship in there, and that is as easy as it is to create a relationship. One more thing, if I want to edit a relationship, I can just click Edit Relationship here and I can change the relationship at this point, so I can change the different settings on that. If I right click on the contact within the relationship, I can also remove the relationship. So if you do link these up wrong, just go back in there and remove the relationship. I hope that was simple and straightforward. If you've got any other questions on how you use this functionality, or if you want to speak to me about a little bit of consultancy on how you could use this within your own business, then please just contact me. Give me a quick call, contact me on email, and I will come back to you and we can discuss exactly how you can use this within your own business environment.